Hello and welcome. This is Rafy, and in this video I'm going to talk about why Quora and any other social media platforms are blocking your profile while you are doing affiliate promotions, while you are sharing your affiliate links on those platforms. How can you keep your profile safe? How can you successfully promote your affiliate links to generate some commissions as I do? I'm going to talk about those things throughout this video. So recently I made a community post on my YouTube channel here, and I've been trying this platform for last few days, and so far I have generated 140 euro as a commission. And I asked, like, what are your condition? Are you getting commissions, or what is the stats? And I have received few comments, like as you can see here, Quora banned my account because of sharing link. So I'm going to talk about this one. And this guy from Bangladesh, he wasn't able to create an account on Skillshare. Maybe they are not accepting profiles from let's say South Asian countries, so that could be a problem. So no worries, you can, if one affiliate program is not working for you, you can try another. As you may see here, just take a look. This one is Sendinblue, this one is SalesQL. I have been promoting Bluehost, I have been promoting Hostinger, and few other, let's say Grammarly, and few other affiliate programs. So if one platform is not working for you, you can try another platform. So our video topic is about why Quora is banning your profile. So yeah, I'm getting back. So like this comment, I have noticed few more comments in my previous videos as well. So it's time to talk about this, why Quora is banning your profile. If you just take a look at my profile here, this is my personal profile. So I was doing affiliate link promotion by using this profile. If you just notice, the last time I made an affiliate promotion through this profile was February 26th. If you just notice here, this is an affiliate link to Fiverr. Let's say this is my affiliate URL. And if you just take a look, I have been doing affiliate promotions. Let's say this one for Hostinger affiliate promotion. I was promoting Hostinger as well through this profile. And we have got many more affiliate promotional posts. Now, why did I stop promoting by using this profile? Stop promoting affiliate links by using this profile? Simple. While I was doing affiliate link promotions regularly, I was like suspecting some unusual activities on my profile. It was getting logged out automatically. It was showing me some errors. So then I realized it's time to stop promoting affiliate links by using this profile. So what can we do in this case? So I created few other Quora profiles, which are fake obviously, and I started promoting my affiliate links through those profiles. So this is an option, but that's not the end. You have to make a balanced post. Let's say if you are making answers to few questions, you simply have to provide information without adding any link. For instance, if I show you on this profile, you can see this one was an affiliate promotional post. But if you just go a little bit down, this post, I didn't add any affiliate link here. It was informative post. So you have to make a balanced posting. Like you have to post your affiliate links on one answer. You have to make informative comment, informative answer on another question. So this is how you have to keep your profile balanced. With informative and affiliate link promotional post, it is going to help your profile keep or stay safe, and the platforms are not going to mark you as a spammer, and they are not going to block your account. So if you are doing, like, let's say just affiliate link promotion, you are making every post containing a link, external link, outbound link, the platforms, they are going to mark you as a spammer. They are going to you are not going to get that interaction on your post. Basically you are doing the hard work, not getting any result, and they're going to mark you as a spammer, and they're going to suspend your profile if you are doing only affiliate link promotion. But if you are promoting contents, you are sharing tips, you are answering on questions by sharing your knowledge, experiences, and you are making a balanced posting, some with information only and some with your affiliate links along with the informations. It is going to help your profile stay safe on those platforms, and these platforms are not going to mark you safe, spam or spammer, and they are not going to suspend your profile. And not only on Quora, this way works on Twitter, Facebook, on Pinterest. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to share how I record my computer screen, so that if you are interested to promote your affiliate links on YouTube videos as I do now, so you can learn the process and you can get started. And then I'm going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, as I have been doing some experimentations and I have started getting some results. So it would be my pleasure to share my experience. And yeah, I'm going to share how to set up a blog and how to create landing pages, how to promote affiliate products through blog post, etc. in my future videos. So basically the topic of this video was how can you keep your account safe and how you can promote your affiliate links to generate sales. Okay, so simple. You have to make balanced post, and if you are suspecting or noticing any unusual activity on your profiles, it could be on Quora, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or let's say Facebook, you have to stop promoting any further link on that profile for maybe for that day or for few more days, and then restart again. So I believe you have got the idea, but still if you are confused, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. It would be my pleasure to clarify and show you in details if you're not getting the idea yet. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the very best, and I hope you'll be able to generate incomes like this. And not only those, I have been promoting Bluehost, I have been promoting Hostinger, Skillshare, and Grammarly, and many other affiliate products. I'm going to talk about them in my future videos for sure. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.